Oppo A54 5G. The best budget phone 2022. Excellent battery life. Oppo's 5G upgrade to the A54 also brings with it a sharper, more vibrant display and better cameras. While that adds a slightly higher price, it still remains affordable at £219. But where exactly does Oppo compromise to keep the price so low? We tested out the handset to see how it performs day to day, and whether its humble price tag offers enough value to cut through the crowd. Design. Attractive iridescent finish. Side-mounted fingerprint reader. The A54 5G may be a budget all-plastic handset, but it doesn't look cheap. The model I tested in fluid black has a gorgeous iridescent finish that changes from dark gray to silver depending on the angle of the light. You can pick it up in an eye-catching fantastic purple too. Display. 6.5 inches Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2400 screen. 90 Hz refresh rate. Full DCI-P3 color gamut. The Oppo A54 5G offers a stunning 90 Hz display with the full DCI-P3 color gamut. Note, you also have the choice to switch to 60 Hz, but there's little reason to, given the handset's robust battery life. More on this later. The novelty of 90 Hz may not be as thrilling as it was a couple of years ago, but it's still nice to see on a budget device. Cameras. 48MP main, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, 2MP depth sensor. 16MP selfie camera. Up to 1080p HD video at 30 frames per second. In the fewest words, the A54 5G's cameras are okay, nothing fantastic, nothing terrible. What I like most about images on the A54 5G is that colors look bright and vibrant, so long as scenes are well lit. Software and UX. The Oppo A54 5G runs on a reskin Android 11 called ColorOS. It once detracted heavily from the near-stock Android experience you would have been likely to find on equivalent Nexus/Pixel or Motorola phones of the time, but Oppo has since reined things in somewhat, for the better. Battery life. 5000 mAh. 10W charging. The battery life is one of the biggest benefits of the A54 5G. A full charge can take you through 2 days, of course, that depends on how rigorously you use the phone. Price and availability. The Oppo A54 5G is available with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage only and costs £219/$250. It's available in fluid black or fantastic purple. Availability is limited in the US, but UK customers can pick up the handset SIM-free directly from Oppo or from Amazon, Carphone Warehouse, Argos and AO. On contract, it's available from O2, Virgin, Sky and Vodafone. Oppo A54 5G specs. 6.5 inches 20:9 FHD+, 2400 by 1080, LTPS-LCD. 90 Hz. Qualcomm Snapdragon 485G processor. 4GB RAM. 64GB storage, expandable up to 128GB. Main camera, 48MP main, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, 2MP depth LED flash. Front pinhole 16MP camera. 10W fast charging. 5000 mAh battery. Side-mounted fingerprint reader. 3.5mm headphone jack. Bluetooth 5.1. Android 11. 5G USB-C. 162.9 by 74.7 by 8.4mm. 190 grams. Colors, fluid black and fantastic purple.